Hey guys, today we'll be talking about permutations and probability. The question is, there are 7 finalists in a 100-meter dash at the Olympic Games. Suppose 3 of the finalists are from the US. What is the probability that the United States will win all 3 medals in this event? Permutation is a group of objects counted where order matters. The formula for this would be, ooh, I messed up. Okay. N permutation R equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. Alright, so basically what the formula means, n permutation r equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. Well, n is just basically the total items or elements in the group, and r is how many do we have in each group. So yeah, this would be I'm gonna run out of room. 7 permutation 3 equals 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial. The reason how, 7 is the set, so that's why, ooh, whoa. That's how I got 7, because that's the set, and we were looking for, 3 of the finalists who would be from the US. So that's how I got that. Alright, so now we were left with this 7 factorial over 7 minus 3 factorial, which would be 7 factorial over 4 factorial. So after this, you would go 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and it would all go over 4 factorial, which would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. These would cancel out, so what's left would be 7 times 6 times 5, which you would punch into a calculator, which would be 210. Now we're not done, because that's just the universal set. I'm not sure if I spelled that right, but yeah, that's just the universal set. So now we need to look for the permutation for if like the US would have won 3 medals in the event. Alright, so now they're asking now they're asking that suppose 3 of the Americans win 3 medals in the event. So it would be 3 permutation 3, which would be 3 factorial over 3 minus 3 factorial, which of course would just be 3 factorial over 0 factorial. I don't think the parentheses are necessary right now. But now all you got left on top would be 3 times 2 times 1, which would just be 6, because on the bottom it's just 0, so it would just be 6. So Now you got your universal set, and now you've got the permutation of the US winning 3 medals in the event. So on to our next step. So remember that we just got 6 from what we just worked out right now. So it'd be 6 over a universal set, which was 210. Now this isn't our answer because you would need to simplify it. But 6 goes into both. So you would divide 6 into 210, which would be 1 over 35, which would be your answer. And yeah, so now we're done. Woo! Party.